Dealing with toxic people in your life, part 4. Let's talk about what could happen if you don't do exactly what the narcissist in your life wants you to. If you change your behavior, the narcissist may not be happy about it. So what can you expect? Now, for a single evening, there probably won't be a big difference. So if it's just about one day, then gray rocking will probably help keep the peace. However, over time, the narcissist won't be getting the gratification they want from you. That may trigger them to rage at you. If you keep your head during these times and stay calm, removing yourself from the situation when possible, they will eventually look for someone else to rage at. They may call you jealous, or in the worst case, they may try to turn other friends or family members against you. As long as the other friends or family members are not toxic themselves, then it may help to explain to them what you are doing. They can disagree with the way you go about dealing with the narcissist, but as long as they are empathetic and compassionate, they will hear you out. If they don't, then they are also toxic themselves, and you need to deal with them accordingly.